Adding wax protection to your vehicle is normally a straightforward process using Meguiar's waxes. However, with the new and improved version of Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, we've made this process even easier. Ultimate Liquid Wax is the result of all new chemistry, which contains cross-linking synthetic polymers as well as Meguiar's hydrophobic polymer technology. This combination not only gives you incredible water beading, but also provides maximum protection and durability. Ultimate Liquid Wax also utilizes Meguiar's thin film technology, which allows for an even smoother application and faster wipe-off, even in direct sunlight. In addition, Ultimate Liquid Wax's exclusive synthetic formula won't turn plastic trim white like most traditional waxes. Before waxing, remember to wash and dry your vehicle thoroughly with a high-quality automotive wash, and then make sure it's free from any defects or bonded contaminants. If not, you'll need to use Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit or Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to properly prep the surface before applying Ultimate Liquid Wax. If you don't have access to a hose, a great alternative to washing is Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Just spray on and gently wipe with a clean, high-quality microfiber towel, then flip to a clean portion for a final wipe. Whether you're working by hand or by dual-action polisher, Ultimate Liquid Wax with Meguiar's thin film technology allows you to be flexible on the application and removal. This means if you prefer to apply it to the entire car before removing it, you'll have no problem. However, this advanced formula also allows for a wipe-on, wipe-off type of application if preferred. Apply Ultimate Liquid Wax to a small section at a time, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then easily remove it with the included Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. With either method you choose, our testing confirms you'll be getting both maximum protection and water beading action. As with most Meguiar's products, a little goes a long way, so it's always recommended to apply Ultimate Liquid Wax very thin and evenly, as this will help the wax come off easier and help to keep you from wasting product. To extend the life of Ultimate Liquid Wax, always use a wash designed specifically for car finishes like Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax on a regular basis. If you need a stronger wash to remove stubborn contaminants like tough dirt, bugs, and tar, Meguiar's Wash Plus is ideal for deep cleaning and lightly polishing the paint quickly and easily. With Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, you'll end up with maximum polymer protection on your car, quicker and easier, while providing you with incredible depth of color and mirror-like shine. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com.